What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to record audio on your Mac. And in order to do this we have to go to the Voice Memos app. And we get there by going to the Launchpad and clicking on Voice Memos. When you're ready to record, just click on this red button in here at the left bottom. And then you will see that the recording is started and I'm talking in my mic right now. And you can see that by the waves, of course. So now it's recording until I press done right here at the right bottom. So when we click done, the recording is saved. You can rename it. So you can rename it, you can edit it as well. You can crop it with the right button in the top right. And then you can take some parts out. You can delete some parts. You can save it again. And that's basically how it works, guys. So if this video helped you out, please leave a like, consider subscribing, and then I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.